This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything to a PC or cloud because downgrading wipes or breaks apps. Once done, charge the phone above 60% and enable USB debugging so your PC can communicate. Next, download the exact stock firmware package for your specific model and build. Mismatched files brick devices. Also install Samsung USB drivers and Odin on your computer. These steps ensure a safe, compatible foundation before entering download mode and flashing. Now put the phone into download mode using the model-specific hardware key combo. It's required for Odin to take a firmware. Once the device is connected, open Odin on your PC and load the extracted firmware into the AP or PDA slot. Make sure repartition is not checked and that the correct BL/CP files are used if present. Confirm Odin shows a COM connection, then press Start to flash. Flashing replaces the updated system with the older stock build. This is why accuracy matters. When Odin shows pass, disconnect, and reboot, first boot can take several minutes while Android optimizes apps. Once the system is stable, restore your backup and reconfigure accounts. If you hit app crashes or Google services errors, perform a factory reset to clear incompatible settings before restoring data. Make sure to check device info to confirm the older build is installed. If something goes wrong and the phone won't boot, wipe the cache partition first. If that fails, reflash the correct stock firmware and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.